Learn how to assemble and install the Wonder Easy Adjust bed rail by Standard. This bed rail is compatible with traditional bed types with box springs, slats, and non-adjusting platforms. It is not compatible with adjustable base beds or beds with an extra soft mattress. Only use the bed rail with mattresses between 10 and 14 inches thick. Before assembling, remove all pieces from the box and identify each part. Determine which side of the bed the rail will be installed on. Assembly will vary based on your chosen side, so that the extendable side of the bed rail will always be closest to the foot of the bed. To begin, insert legs B and C into rail A. The direction of rail A will vary depending on the side of the bed. For assembly on the left side of the bed, insert leg B underneath the extendable part of the rail so the extension will point right. For assembly on the right side, flip rail A so the extendable part of the rail is over leg C and the extension is pointing left. With proper configuration, align the holes in A with holes in B and C. Then insert bolt H into the square hole and bolt G into the other side. Next, use the provided tool F to tighten bolt G and secure the rail to the leg. Repeat this process on the other side by inserting bolts G and H and tightening with tool F so that both legs are attached to the rail. Next, find the safety guard D and place it between legs B and C. Align the holes and insert the screws that are labeled J. Use tool F to tighten the screws and secure the safety guard to the bed rail. Repeat this process on the other side so the safety guard is secured in place with all 4 screws. With the bed rail assembled, slide legs B and C underneath the mattress. Next, pull both safety straps E to the opposite side by running them underneath the mattress around the foot of the bed. Undo the buckles and loop the safety straps around the bed frame. Rebuckle the straps and tighten them as tight as possible. The safety strap will secure the bed rail into place. Never use the bed rail if it is not properly strapped to the bed. Ensure the bed rail is snug against the side of the mattress and installed at least 12.5 inches from the headboard. If you have any questions about assembly of this product, please contact our customer service team at 844-213-9667.